Hello and welcome to Flock and Fern. In this video, I'm going to take you through one of my very best knitting tips, how to recognise a stitch. So as you're working along and you put your knitting down and you're not sure what comes next, I'll show you how to tell every time. This has come from some of the comments that we've had in our recent videos, so keep those comments coming. And if you like the content, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you hit the little bell icon, you'll get a notification when we next post a video. So, how do you tell when a knit's a knit and a purl's a purl? Let's go. So you've picked up your knitting after leaving it last night and a whole sleep's happened, so you've now forgotten what your next stitch is. So looking at the piece of work that we've got here, I'm working in 3x3 rib. You've got this next stitch coming up. Kind of ignore what's already on your right stitch with the working yarn is attached to that, so we know that's the right. And we're working along the left needle. And if you focus in and look at this next stitch, we can see the loop on the needle goes down and then it forms a bit of a V where it joins the rest of the row below or the rest of the working stitches. Now, that is a knit. So a V shape at the bottom, going straight down into it is a knit. So we just need to go into that and knit it as we would. Check out our videos on how to do knit stitch if you need that as well. So these three are all knits. Now, same thing could happen. You could finish it here the night before and not be sure where's next, or sorry, what stitch is next. So we need to look at what's on the left needle. And we can see here that we've got this bubble shape and the stitch is going into the middle of it. So wherever there's a bubble, it's a purl. So working yarn to the front, and we're going to go into the bottom and just purl that. And also check out the videos that cover how to purl. So we've got this bump at the bottom here, where the stitch going off the left needle into it, that is a purl. And a reminder again, when we've got the V shape, so no bump, it's nice and smooth going down, that's a knit. And that's it, that's how you tell. So we've got the bubble here, so it's a purl again. So anytime you leave your knitting and you pick it back up and you can't quite remember what stitch you're doing, next just have a look at what's already there and that'll tell you. So that is our purl again. And then looking in again one last time, we've got the V shape, so it's a knit going into the back. So now you know how to recognise your stitch when you're knitting. When a purl's a purl and a knit's a knit. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave any comments on any other videos you'd like to see. And most importantly, happy knitting.